A very good afternoon to our beloved lecturer, Madam Elizabeth, and my fellow classmates. So today our group will present on Celcom. Firstly, I will introduce my group members. Me, myself, Nicole Ubung Matthew, Olivia LC, Muhammad Faris Daniel, Alicia Laing, and Cornelius Titus. So today I will start our presentations by telling on the backgrounds of Celcom. Firstly, Celcom has been established in 1988 as the Celcom parent company, which is Axiata Group Berhad, a regional champion serving 150 million customers across 9 countries. Therefore, Celcom has been bridging communications and advancing towards integrated multimedia access, multimedia services, and IoT solution, Internet of Things. Also, Celcom has been 33 years of experience in the markets of telecommunications and communication multimedia services. They are inspired to become the most inspiring digital organization by consistently providing the best customer service. Moreover, not just that, Celcom has provided with few services and products. Firstly, on prepaid, postpaid, data online roaming, devices broadband, and online video streaming. These few services and products has given a few steps and stages to get into the plan or data given. They also give a manual and they give a tutorial how to get into the services.
My name is Olivia. For my part, I will explain about implementation of the knowledge management and its contribution towards Celcom profit and productivity. First is cloud data computing contribute to knowledge sharing. It utilizes software and hardware from server across a network in order to avoid the complexities of data sharing via the internet. Celcom Cloud Suite, which is an affordable cloud computing solution that focuses on infrastructure as a service and platform as a service to help local businesses and enterprises. The collaboration between Celcom and Microsoft has created knowledge sharing, as Microsoft is expert in the field of computing. As an example, Microsoft 365 packages of businesses to accelerate digitalization. Second is talent development program, which involve best practices. A leading global information and communications technology (ICT) solutions provider who are Celcom, Axiata Berhad, and Huawei Technologies Malaysia Sendirian Berhad have signed a digital leadership memorandum of understanding (MOU) to launch a set of talent development programs in order to build the ICT talents to a digital future for Malaysia. The collaboration between both parties to share best practices and knowledge in order to improve technical expertise and skill digital development. Next, customer relationship management (CRM) is a part of knowledge acquisition. It involves the process of development and creation of insights, skill, and relationship in Celcom. The current CRM system is Zencash Info to replace Oracle, the previous system to handle complaints from their customers, in order for Celcom to operate their business effectively and provide excellent service to their customers. Finally, business continuity management (BCM) is related to knowledge creation as planning of an organization to maintain business functions or quickly resume after a disaster has occurred. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, Celcom has activated its BCM, a triple contingency plan for arrangement for its employees, identified alternate working space, dividing critical work, function, and key personnel to ensure continuity of day-to-day operations. Celcom was required to measure SOP based on BCM guidelines such as daily premise, sanitation work, and workplace hygiene check.
Thank you to my friend Olivia for explaining on the KM implementations. Now I, Muhammad Faris Daniel, would like to explain on the evaluations based on the KM implementations. The first step of evaluating would be in terms of the user adoption and its main purpose. This cloud data initiative has always been under the program of Jaringan Digital Negara, where it involves the use of cloud data computing as a new forefront, especially for small medium enterprises in order to pursue for digitalization efforts. In other words, cloud data computing will become a driver when it comes to knowledge economy, where it eliminates any forms of redundancies and as a whole improves the business flow. On the second evaluation, when it comes to accessibility and reliability, Celcom under the Jaringan Digital Negara initiative has taken to upgrade the current networks by investing around 256 million ringgit to improve the current 4G tower base and make more network infrastructures before the deployment of 5G services. Computing will not only be seamless and efficient, but also can become a tool when it comes to protecting intellectual capital. Secondly is their talent development program. In terms of evaluation, Celcom has been doing the programs on a continuously and on a regular basis. This proves that Celcom upholds when it comes to nurturing the human capital management. As an example, Celcom had been investing around 190 million ringgit since the year 2009 to improve and emphasize on the 3 aspects, which is skills, knowledge, and leadership. This results in a more comprehensive talent development program framework. As an example, the Exco Group program and the Opco Talent Development program have contributed to 71% of employees currently involved in the Celcom companies as well, especially in leadership-based positions. The second evaluation is in regards to the employee engagement. The employees' feedback satisfaction has always been taken into concern by the company. As an example, they will make their annual survey in order to measure the satisfactory feedbacks and also seek for suggestions on how to make the workplace to be more conducive. Thirdly, is regards to online services to customers. Online services would be beneficial, especially in terms of it being readily available anytime and anywhere at the convenience of the customers. As an example, Celcom had been launching a new service delivery system, which is the Dash for Me delivery service. Second evaluation would be the interactions made between the employees with the customers. This is crucial to not only cater the needs of the customers, but also maintain their loyalty. Celcom had been making an approach of the special treatment for the differently abled people by having a no queuing policy and sending in their employees to the differently abled persons' homes. Next, it will be the business continuity management. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, Celcom has taken this initiative to not only adapt to the current situations, but also to anticipate future problems that can happen. First evaluation would be how Celcom would be able to adapt based on the current circumstances. This can be proven by the creation of a BCM system, as well as to act as a risk management tool. The second evaluation will be made in terms of performance. Many companies have been suffering from hurdles and challenges in order to adapt amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Celcom manages to take and thin by still maintaining a profit of around 1.48 million ringgit, or a rise of 3.4% in terms of their revenue for the second half of the year 2021.
Moving on to the challenges of the implementation. The first challenges faced by Celcom is technological complexity. Cloud complexity is the number one reason enterprise experience failure with cloud. Cloud-based platforms become complex due to an excess of heterogeneity and fewer common services. Celcom relies largely on an integrated, systematic, and high-standard information technology infrastructure to support around 11 million subscribers and over 3,900 staff at its head office, which includes 6 regional offices. IT is increasingly vital in supporting and strengthening company processes, which also satisfying business requirements on a timely basis. Celcom faces one of the most difficult problems in providing business requirements with sophisticated information technology and network characteristics, because information technology has historically been immersed, difficult, and inefficient. Often, in order to meet business objectives, systems are developed not for efficiency, but for functionality. Celcom was driven to go above and beyond its specific need in order to deliver one-of-a-kind product and service by a new business necessity. Secondly, it is also costly for the company to implement the new system. In order for the employee to work effectively on the system by having training programs is also one of the costs that the company need to bear and not able to skip or ignore. It requires a lot of money. Once they change the Oracle system to SendTouch Info, the company have to pay for the cost where they create or design another system. The last challenges faced by Celcom is the effectiveness of online customer service. Celcom customer service does not seem to be really effective to assist and resolve the customer's problem. Celcom Axiata Berhad again leads in the number of customers complained over network quality in June, according to the Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission. Overall, there was a spike in the number of complaints, largely due to the work from home and home-based learning amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Month on month, the number of complaints received by the Celcom in June surged to 12,056 from 3,780 in May. There was no difference in the nature of complaints, which are about poor coverage and poor quality of services. This clearly shows that Celcom do not have an effective customer service. The number of complaints spiked, yet Celcom could not fulfill the demands of the customers.
Next, I will add some suggestions on how Celcom can cater the challenges or improve the existing implementation of knowledge management. First approach is by introducing monitoring effort and system. Firstly, complaint monitoring approach can be taken through social media. Social media is very engaging for collecting customer issues and feedback. Attached and distributed links through social media such as Instagram and Facebook for reporting or giving feedback is far more accessible. Therefore, more data about the most recurring issues can be collected effectively and processed for improvements. Moreover, tower sites monitoring system should be developed as it able to notify when something is wrong through automatic alerts. This system should be equipped with various sensors such as security control sensors and video surveillance system which provides security supervision and protects sites from theft and vandalism. Other sensors to detect overheat and or humidity level like floods also completes the system. This will notify both nearest technician in charge for immediate supervision and Celcom headquarters for proper records and inspection. Hence, the faster the issue being detected, the faster action can be taken to resolve the issues. Secondly, introducing recognition and rewards for practicing knowledge sharing. It is important for knowledge sharing because employees want to be appreciated. Small acts also a form of recognition as they show appreciation to employees who shared knowledge. The basic way of recognition is by announcing the employee's name, who participate in knowledge sharing during meeting, annual dinner or thanking employees casually. Rewards and incentives are also one of the main knowledge sharing motivators. Monetary rewards is suitable for explicit knowledge sharing such as salary increment, bonuses or promotion. Non-monetary rewards or incentive is for tacit knowledge sharing. Therefore, employees would be more motivated and open to share their knowledge when they are aware that this culture is appreciated and valued. Thirdly, collaboration and learning would help Celcom to keep up to date with technological advances and offer new relevant services. Celcom had joined various collaboration with local and foreign companies. Other possible collaboration approach is by collaborating with other startup telcos. New telcos such as B1 usually have more innovative and fresh marketing strategies. Therefore, Celcom will be able to offer distinctive products or internet plans that are able to attract more potential customers. Learning from other companies or potential competitors' weaknesses and success could provide information for Celcom growth opportunities. For example, Celcom can learn from Maxis' ability to offer different mobile internet plans to different group of customers. Learning could also be done by participating in any relevant conferences where new and impactful ideas can be gained.
So, to conclude all the presentations, Celcom Axiata Berhad has applied and practiced knowledge management in their operation and management tools in achieving their target and goals. Celcom has together collaborated with Microsoft Malaysia, Model A Technology Sdn Berhad, Payroll Panda Sdn Berhad, Ziperium, Vignilian Asia Sdn Berhad, and also SME. To prove the fact, even though Celcom has been a compete with Digi and Maxis, they has received a few awards on 2020 and 2021. For example, on Graduate Choice Award GCA in 2020 and 2021, Most Attractive Graduate Employer Brands in Malaysia Awards, and Sustainably CSR Malaysia Awards 2020. That's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.